The Austrian M1867 rotary breech single shot rifle in the 11.15 by 60 millimeter cartridge. Single shot black powder rifle issued in the 1870s. A fairly solid gun, fun to shoot. The only drawback is the rotary drum, when it gets fouled or dirty, has a tendency to jam. But an interesting old gun. This is what the action looks like when it's open and ready to have a cartridge placed in it. Load it and then rotate the drum back and away you go. Has interesting sights which are quite usable, and the gun does shoot well and accurately.